guys, I want to talk to you for a minute about what's coming up in the next couple of weeks. Actually, starting tomorrow, it's just a phenomenal lineup of kits that are shipping out. I'm sure you're getting a little sick of all of a sudden getting all these bills pouring in, but how to pick and choose, my goodness. Tomorrow is, and we're not really sure, we'll have to ask Laura how to pronounce this, Ashia or Asia. We're not sure which pronunciation it is. It's spelled A-S-H-I-A. So baby, I call her Ashia. Baby Ashia is shipping out tomorrow, which is Thursday, June the 10th. Then on Monday, we have Zendrick. Correct me. Friday is Felicia by Gudrun Legler. And that one is all of a sudden came up that she was able to be shipped out, which we're excited about. We've been waiting a long time, as I know a lot of you have been. So Felicia is on Friday, June the 11th. Okay, so that one's shipping out then. Then we have on Monday, what are we talking? June, what is it? 14th is Zendrick by Dawn McLeod. So be ready for that. That's shipping out on the Monday. Then on, here we are. This one is on Wednesday. We just found out this morning from Cassie Brace. This is her Miley, and that ships out on Wednesday, June the 16th. Now, Cassie was trying to hold off a little longer, but she's moving. So she really needs to get this all wrapped up sooner than later so she can make her move easily. So that is Miley on Wednesday, June the 16th. Now, to add to everything, as you all know, Delilah, the popular Delilah by, they're all popular, but anyway, Delilah by Nikki Johnston, she's starting to arrive again. Now that is the second, it's not a second edition, it's the second group. It's the same edition, the second grouping, like production run. And we have a bunch of her coming in, and so some of you have been patiently waiting for her to arrive. Now she's coming slowly, so please be patient with us. As they come in, we will inspect them and start to ship out according to invoice, past to present tense, okay? So that's the furthest away, fully paid invoices will ship out first, and as they come in, we will continue to ship them out. Some more exciting news about Delilah. As you know, there was an option of her cute little tummy plate that was offered, and we had extras, and we approached Nikki and asked if we could sell these as a separate item, and she's given us permission to do so. So we've just added that on our website today. So that is the tummy plate for Delilah, for any of you that just want to have a cute little tummy added to your collection. She's just adorable. Okay, and you can see that Nikki has done a three-dimensional seal on there. A lot of the artists are starting to do some special things so that they can't be duplicated. Dawn McLeod wisely made a black circle here, and she's got a heart punched out, so you know it's an authentic certificate, okay? So, lots going on, and I just wanted to update y'all and find out why you're getting so many invoices, but it is what it is. Take your time to pay. If you're having a hard time, don't worry about it. We're totally chilled. We're okay with it. So just, do what you can when you can. All right, thanks. Bye.